Dumelang bagaetsho, dumelang community award 1 ke mo dirapeng tsa Phatsima. I'm not actually happy ke taba e etsagalang. We have batho ba borona, bontata rona le bo mama rona ba robetseng mo. Di family tsa borona tse robetseng mo. But how ka tsa o sheba? Look at what is going on here. Ke hlathi here is full of grass. Ho tletse ke faili mo mabitleng a borona. If you can come this side, ho ya kwa, you can see ke difate fela, ke dihlare. Ho ya kwa ke dihlare tse dutseng hodima mabitla a borona, tse dutseng hodima mabitla a borona. Ha o ka ya mo le ke dihlare mo. Ntho e bonang mo ke ditlhare fela ke se le hlathi ha e sa le dintlu tsa batho ba borona. So ke tlile mo as a member of the community ke gift pega hape o tlile mo. This can be as a job opportunity. It's a job opportunity as itself for our community members, for our youth. Our youth can be here and clean these graveyards. I don't recall very well. It was on the 12th of March 2026. Hane MMC okolomakang the environment also or whatsoever. He promised us for otlamo atlo kolomaka the MMC in Rustenburg local municipality. I'm here, Hot One Gift Pega speaking here. You promised us to come and clean here. You only came for 3 weekends, not Monday to Friday or Monday to Sunday. You were only cleaning Saturday and Sunday. So I will show you guys as reagote. So I'm urging you to come and team up with your team. You promised us more community meeting. It was around 11:15 to 12. So you promised us to come here and clean our graveyards, but there's nothing that is going on. So please, here is our families. Kini family tabo rona tse. We can't stay in a fella still and look at what is happening. Imagine a fella, your tombstone is very expensive. We be amo, and then at the end of the day, we are trying to clean. It's an obvious thing. We are the dumping site. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Over here is the graveyard. Please, MMC, all cleaner, the environment, come to Ward 1 Phatsima and do your promise. Or promise is I don't blame you. Promised us straight in the community. Last time I was with I don't know, he's the manager or the supervisor on the Alimo Lebatobat Lina. Kibuile Liena, that man. Look at this one. Kibuile Liena, that man. There were only 4 people. 4 people. Baba Kolomaka Moabiteng. Hasi, Lebanama Hai, Hasikonama Hai. They came here but to clean our 4. Kibuile Liena, men to men, Kilibet Libitola High. Onat Leka Traka Yamaspala. Kibuile Liena, Mozaker, what is going on? I don't know. You remember what to buy for what the Bakate Moabiteng, Eva Harake, Eva Fisale Matakala. Ntatole was complaining, Lena Ona Rometuimo, Arelenaki, put it reports of Gare, but over Tokona Yang, Pleke Ekanakana, Yamabita. So I'm urging MMC or how Tamo, you must consider Banamo High, Lewana Hababereki. They must be part of cleaning Yamabita. So I'm here for a message you. I'm here with Phatsima News for a message you Okonofita to the officials. Rustenburg local municipality. We can't live like this. We can't live like this, Bagiti. This is totally wrong. We can't live like this. It's totally wrong. It's totally wrong. It's totally wrong. Phatsima ya voter. Phatsima is a big word. It's the voters. So please, it's yele matsapa. Joloka letela matsapa. Please come and see. MMC, come. We need a delivery. We need a service here. We need a service here. We need a service here. How can Sheba far from here? We are kwa. That's why boy mobile clean them mote. That's why mobile clean it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Keep picking on every by clean because they promised us or about to the graveyard of Phatsima. Yes, they came, but fella for only is like 2 weekends because Kitleli found this first week. What's going on and so no yana ba today ki Friday. Tomorrow we have a funeral service and then it'll probably guest batla Phatsima. How will they take us? How will they take us? They will feel feel pain, obviously, or we are not being taken seriously. And then harna gate as we speak right now. Entrance ya rona e phela e butse, dipudi di a tsena, di gama di tombstone tsa batho, and then stuff like that. Wa bona this tombstone ya ngwana ke e wile. This tombstone e wile no so e digile fela go thula ka pudi because there is no gate. It prevent such things. Please, let's take these things very seriously. Let's take these things very seriously. I am Gift Pega, the member of community Yapatsima, Ward 1. I'm here, and then my heart is very painful of what is going on in our graveyard. I thank you.